Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best kitchen timer. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. ThermoPro TP16 Large LCD Digital Kitchen Timer. This ThermoPro timer also works as a cooking thermometer. With USDA preset temperatures, you can use this to assess meat temperatures in the oven, smoker, or on the stovetop. The timer can be programmed to go off when preset temperatures are reached. In timer mode, the digital assistant features countdown and count-up ability, up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. The meat probe can withstand 716 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers say this timer and thermometer works well, is easy to keep in the kitchen and very easy to use. Others appreciate that the probe can be kept in your food while it is in the oven, and the thermometer seems accurate. Target temps can be selected by choosing the type of meat and the desired degree of doneness. Alternatively, the user can select any temperature she or he desires. One irritating feature is that the temperature alarm cannot be silenced without either removing the probe and letting it cool or raising the target temperature. The manufacturer's contact information, including telephone number and email address, is found in the owner's manual. The unit is covered by a 90-day warranty. Number 2. Antoki Digital Kitchen Timer, 2-pack. You can't beat the value of these easy-to-use ANTONKI timers. Though basic in their functionality, they perform the necessities with a maximum count, up or down, of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. That's enough time to make a pineapple chicken stir-fry or tuna carbonara. Because they're magnetic, you can stick them to appliances, like a refrigerator. But they also have a kickstand for posting up on a table or counter. When time runs out, the alarm is loud enough to hear in another room, so you can rest assured that you won't miss your cue. In addition to the plain white color, this product is available in pastel blue and pink. The ANTONKI timer has an on-off switch, a loud/silent switch, large buttons, and an easy-to-read digital screen. The alarm buzzer is loud enough to be heard in another room, and the clock features a memory setting so you don't have to reset the same time repeatedly. You can also fast-forward to set 60 minutes, and use a basic countdown timer for time management. Many love the design and look of the timer, saying their kids use it to help them manage time with homework. Another notes it's easy enough for 6-year-olds to read and operate. Pros: 5 color options. Large display. Straightforward to use. Magnetic. Cons: no volume control. Number 3. Renway Big Digits Loud Alarm Kitchen Timer. High-tech, versatile, programmable, and affordable, this kitchen timer becomes the best product among recommended ones. Besides, Renway is a well-known brand for the long term so that you can use its device without worrying about the quality. This kitchen tool upgrades the no beep feature to reduce sounds for no reason, hence, you can get a quiet operation. Plus, it has large digits to be viewable easily. You can see numbers from a far distance, so if you are struggling to know, for example, the duration of baking salmon fillet at 350 degrees, or you are afraid that you might forget how much time left to cook without overcooking it, getting a kitchen timer like this product is a must. Besides, you can place the instrument at any location. It comes with a kick-out stand, a magnetic back, and a hook for versatility. The buttons are relatively large to press simply. Furthermore, the memory function allows the timer to revert to the last preset mode, thus, you do not change your favorite settings regularly. Once the timer reaches 0, a sufficiently loud sound lets you know that your meal is ready to enjoy. Besides, the timer can count up. Key features: large, clear digits. Count up and count down. Loud sounding alarm. Improved battery compartment. Number 4. Wegos 2-pack Digital Kitchen Timer. Wegos Digital Kitchen Timer 2. Like the former, features an extremely visible display with large clear digits, but the difference is that this is a great value deal as it comes in a set of 2. The big and bold digits make this an ideal addition to your kitchen, especially for the ones who suffer from poor eyesight. This super energy efficient kitchen timer comes with an easy on-off switch and can count both down and up, making it a hit choice in the market. The feature that makes this one stand out is that it offers a very quick setup time. You can push and hold the button over only 3 seconds, and the time will fast forward on its own, and we found this feature amazing. Last but not least, handling is super easy with this one, as you can choose to stick it to any surface due to its magnetic back, make it stand on your kitchen top using its retractable stand, or use the inbuilt hook for hanging it, whichever seems convenient to you. Pros: features 3-way placement. It comes with a quick set time feature. It comes with a wide count range of 00:00-99:59. Has easy to read display. Cons: they consume more battery than claimed, so you need to budget extra for the batteries. Number 5. ThermoPro TM02 Digital Kitchen Timer. We love the sleek appearance of this timer, but most of all, we love how easy it is to read. It has a 2.6-inch backlit LCD display that you can dim or brighten to your liking, and the digits are large, so you don't have to put on your reading glasses, with 2 separate countdowns. It's perfect for multitasking and measures a maximum of 23 hours and 59 minutes, so you can slow cook recipes, like beef stew and brisket, all day. For those who are noise sensitive or have sleeping children, you can adjust the volume or put it on mute. It has a kickstand for counter and tabletop use, as well as a magnetic back that adheres to appliances. You can place it on the cabinet with a stable stand or stick it on the refrigerator with a magnetic back. Moreover, it features large numbers to see easily. Its screen is equipped with the backlight function to read the entire digits and markings even in a dim light condition. Furthermore, it comes with a memory program to recall the last modes. You do not usually change your favorite settings, thus, this function is perfect. What we like: backlit LCD display, screen brightness is adjustable, 2 timers in one. What we don't like: timer range less than other models.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.